Hello, I'm Caroline Blood, and for my science project I picked how to test a mineral, and this is our guest, Buttercup. So let's get started. I'll start out with these two. This one has a shiny pearly luster, and the color is like colorless and it's a little shiny and you can see through it a little bit. And this one has a metallic luster and it's a gold color. It's shiny too. So let's go ahead and start. As you can see, this one made a big mark, so it's definitely good. But we'll try it both ways. And this one, no mark, just some of these pieces chipped off, just little pieces. Okay, so this one we'll put over here for later. And this one has, it's very black, and there's some little tints of orange there, here and there. And it is a metallic luster, and it's shiny. So, there is like a yellowish mark on here, and then another way. There is really no mark, it's just a bunch of powder that fell. So this one we'll keep over here. And this one, there's a big gash. And we'll try it both ways. And this is just powder, so it's mostly just powder, but it's a little scratch. And next we'll try them on this streak plate. Let's clear that off. There is a very dark, and it smears a bit. So very dark streak, and this one is a very dark, just exactly the same as the rock. It's just very dark. And this one, there is no streak at all. Okay, and this one, I wiped the powder off, but there's still a streak. Maybe you can see it. Okay, now we will test with a copper penny, and it has to be copper, so 1973, and so this one is 1966, so it's good. And we'll test this one. There's no streak, so we'll test this one. There's no streak. This one, there is a streak on this one. Let's see, you can see it better with this. Okay, and this one, it is no streak, just powder. So next we'll do it with the nail, and we'll test this one. There is no streak. About this one, there is a streak in this one, and this one, there is a bit of a streak, if you can see that. And this one, there is a major streak, major gash. Okay, now we can go on to identifying the minerals. So could I have my guest to help me identify? Okay, so this one it was mica, because it was scratched by the nail, scratched by all the rocks, and it did not scratch the streak plate. And this one was, what was this? This one was pyrite and gold. You can see by the gold and the luster. And this one was magnetite. Sorry, my mistake. And you can see by the shiny and the goldish. And this one was talc because it was very powdery and soft. It's very soft. Okay, now this talc is the hardest of 1. So it was the it's the hardest of 1. And magnetite was the hardness of 2 to 2.5. Oh, sorry, my mistake, 6. Pyrite was 6 to 6.5. And sorry, mica was 3. So this came second and third and fourth. So that concludes my video. Thank you very much, and I hope you had a good time.